Hello everyone. Are family-based green cards becoming harder to get in 2026? Could a simple filing mistake put your immigration future at risk? And can a denied family petition now lead to removal proceedings? If you're planning to apply for a green card through a spouse, parent, child, or sibling, this is information you cannot afford to miss. Family sponsorship remains the #1 pathway to obtaining a green card in the U.S. Every year, thousands of immigrants become lawful permanent residents through petitions filed by their family members. However, the immigration process in 2026 is not the same as it was a few years ago. USCIS is conducting more detailed reviews, processing times remain unpredictable, and enforcement actions have increased in many situations. In today's video, we'll explain how family-based immigration works, who qualifies, why family-sponsored cases face greater risks today, what happens if a case is denied, and most importantly, what steps you should take before filing your application. Understanding family-based immigration. Family-sponsored immigration allows eligible U.S. citizens and lawful permanent residents to petition for certain relatives to receive a green card. This immigration category continues to account for a large percentage of all permanent resident approvals each year. Some relatives qualify as immediate relatives of U.S. citizens. Since these visas are not limited by annual quotas, applicants generally do not have to wait for a visa number to become available. The immediate relative category includes husband or wife of a U.S. citizen, unmarried son or daughter under age 21 of a U.S. citizen, mother or father of a U.S. citizen. Other relatives fall into family preference categories, where annual visa limits often create significant waiting periods. Family preference categories explained. The preference system includes F1 category, adult unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. F2A category, spouses and unmarried children under 21 of lawful permanent residents. F2B category, adult unmarried sons and daughters of lawful permanent residents. F3 category, married sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. F4 category, brothers and sisters of U.S. citizens. Because these categories are subject to yearly visa limits, many applicants face lengthy backlogs before moving forward in the immigration process. Why are family green card cases facing more challenges? Many applicants assume that having an eligible family sponsor guarantees success. Unfortunately, that's not always the case. In recent years, immigration agencies have increased scrutiny of family-based applications. Officers are spending more time reviewing documentation, verifying information, and examining eligibility requirements. Applicants may encounter 1. Longer case processing times. 2. Additional requests for evidence. 3. More interview requirements. 4. Enhanced security and background reviews. 5. Increased attention to filing accuracy. As a result, even small mistakes that may have been overlooked in the past can now create serious delays or complications. The growing concern over denials. One of the biggest concerns for applicants today is what happens after a case is denied. Years ago, many denied applications simply reached the end of the process without further action. Today, some applicants face additional immigration consequences after receiving a denial. This policy shift has made proper case preparation more important than ever. Can a green card denial lead to immigration court? In certain situations, yes. Following a denial, immigration authorities may issue a notice to appear, commonly known as an NTA. An NTA starts formal removal proceedings before an immigration judge. Situations that may increase the risk include incomplete applications, missing supporting documents, eligibility problems, prior immigration violations, inadmissibility concerns, significant filing errors. Although not every denial results in removal proceedings, applicants should understand that the possibility exists and prepare accordingly. Important steps to take before filing. A successful application starts long before forms are submitted. Before filing a family-based green card case, consider taking the following steps. Review your immigration record. Make sure you fully understand your immigration history, including previous entries, visa applications, and any prior interactions with immigration agencies. Identify potential issues early. Address concerns such as unlawful presence, prior violations, or inadmissibility problems before filing. Build strong supporting evidence. Collect documents that clearly establish eligibility and support every part of your application. Double-check every form. Simple mistakes, missing signatures, or incorrect information can create delays or denials. Prepare for an interview. Many applicants should expect an in-person interview and be ready to answer questions about their case. Seek professional guidance when needed. Cases involving legal complications often benefit from experienced immigration advice before submission. Is family sponsorship still one of the best ways to obtain a green card? Yes, family sponsorship continues to be one of the leading pathways to permanent residence in the United States. However, applicants should be prepared for stricter review standards and longer processing times. Can USCIS deny my application even if I have an eligible sponsor? Yes, eligibility through a family member is only one part of the process. Missing evidence, inconsistent information, immigration violations, or other concerns can still lead to a denial. What happens if my application is rejected? Depending on the circumstances, a denial may simply end the application process, or it could result in additional immigration enforcement actions, including placement in removal proceedings. Family-based immigration remains a valuable opportunity for families seeking to reunite in the U.S. However, today's immigration environment requires applicants to be more prepared, more organized, and more informed than ever before. Understanding the process, avoiding common mistakes, and submitting a complete and accurate application can help improve your chances of success and reduce unnecessary risks. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for the latest immigration news, visa bulletin updates, and green card information. Also, share your priority date and immigration category in the comments below. We love hearing from our viewers, and your question could be featured in a future video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next immigration update.